Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge von The Walking Dead. Episode 4. In Savannah sind wir gelandet. Auf der Flucht von den Walkers sind wir in die Kanalisation gekommen und jetzt stehen wir hier vor diesem Ausgang, vor diesem Durchgang. Wir wissen es nicht, wir werden es jetzt herausfinden. Lee auf sich alleine gestellt. Die anderen sind mit dem Wasser beschäftigt, das heißt, wasserscheu sind die Walkers garantiert mal nicht. Okay, wo sind wir hier? Fallout.
The hell?
Dreh dich.
Must have been one of those old nuclear fallout shelters.
Okay,
Wonder if someone's living down here.
ob da unten jemand gelebt hat, ja.
Look at all this. It's enough to keep people alive for months.
Hier haben wir Lebensmittel. Das Schild war an und für sich optimal hier. Wir haben das Schild weggenommen.
Who are you?
I could ask you the same question.
You barged in on us, and I'm the one holding the gun. So I'll ask you again. Who are you?
Look, I'm sorry I disturbed you folks. I'll just be going.
You can't let him leave. He's from Crawford. If he goes back there and they find out we're down here...
Are you from Crawford? Hey, don't lie to me. I'll know.
Where else can he be from? Everywhere else around here is dead.
I think you better start talking.
I'm not from around here. I'm from Athens. Grew up in Macon.
I have a brother in Macon. You were there? How was it? As bad as here?
I'm sorry.
You can't trust him, Vernon. You can't let him leave.
What do you want me to do? Shoot him in the head?
Why not? Be more of a mercy than anyone from Crawford ever showed us. Think, Vernon. What do you think they'll do if they find out we're down here, right under their feet?
Damn it, you're right. I'm sorry, friend. Can't take the risk.
I'm not from Crawford, but I saw what they did up there. It made me sick. I'm not like them, and I don't think you are either. I think you're a good man.
Keep back, or I swear I'll shoot.
I told you he's lying. He is one of them. Kill him before he kills us.
Was? Ich dachte jetzt wirklich, ich könnte mit ihnen sprechen. Okay, jetzt fange ich hier nochmal an. Was ist...
Who are you?
It's all right. It's okay. I don't want any trouble.
Neither do we. Which is why you'd do well to turn around and leave right now.
Look, I'm sorry I disturbed you folks. I'll just be going.
You can't let him
Okay, wir haben
leave.
uns
He's
jetzt
from
ein bisschen
Crawford.
anders
If he goes back there and they find out we're down here...
Are you from Crawford?
Nein,
Hey,
ich
don't
komme
lie
nicht
to
aus
me.
Crawford.
I'll know.
Where else can he be from? Everywhere else around here is dead.
I think you better start talking.
I'm not from around here. I'm from Athens. Grew up in Macon.
I have a brother in Macon. You were there? How was it? As bad as here?
Es ist ja die Wahrheit, was ich jetzt gesagt
I'm
habe.
sorry.
You can't trust him, Vernon. You can't let him leave.
What do you want me to do? Shoot him in the head?
Why not? Be more of a mercy than anyone from Crawford ever showed us.
Warum
Think,
denn? Ich bin nicht
Vernon.
von
What do you
Crawford.
think they'll do if they find out we're down here, right under their feet?
Damn it, you're right. I'm sorry, friend. Can't take the risk.
I'm not from Crawford, but I saw what they did up there. It made me sick. I'm not like them, and I don't think you are either. I think you're a good man.
Keep back, or I swear I'll shoot.
Okay, nimm die Waffe.
It's all right. It's okay.
Vernon, what the hell are you doing? Vernon!
Relax. I'm not here to hurt you.
You're really not from Crawford?
No, I'm really not.
Well, we are, or were. We got out of there when they started sealing up the place, started weeding out the sick and the old so the perfect survivor society wouldn't be threatened. No room for weakness or vulnerability in their little master race.
You don't look that old, so you're sick?
We're sick. We're all members of a cancer survivors group that used to meet here at the hospital. We're in remission. But that wasn't good enough for Crawford. They'd already rounded up 5 of us before the rest of us managed to hole up and hide from them down here. This old basement's been abandoned for years.
What is this? A morgue?
Yeah, irony's always high on my list when I'm looking for a place to survive. How did you find your way down here?
A few of us got boxed in by walkers up on the street. Came down here trying to get away. Now I just want to get out of here and get back to my own people.
Well, that sewer system you came through runs all over the city. It'll take you wherever you want to go.
Those sewers are like a damn maze. Any chance you could help me find my way back?
Look, I'd like to help you, but we've all got our own problems. 2 of our group are sick and need constant care, and I'm the only doctor here.
Besides, why should we help you?
Look, I'm sorry if I scared you. I just want to get back to my people. Back to Clementine.
She's your daughter?
No. She lost her real parents. I'm doing what I can.
You're not seriously considering going with him.
It's all right, Bree. I had a daughter, too. Lost her in the first days. I'll be damned if I'll just sit back and let that happen to someone else.
We need you here.
Don't worry. I'll be back before you know it. Let's go.
Okay, der Doc hilft uns. Boah, ich weiß nicht warum, aber ich habe Gänsehaut. Ich weiß echt nicht warum, aber ich habe extrem Gänsehaut. Das ist nicht mehr normal. Und das ist nicht, weil ich kalt habe, sondern wegen diesem Spiel.
Clementine? Clem?
Das haben wir schon
Molly?
hinter uns.
Oh, hey, you made it back.
Who's this?
He didn't tell you about me? Understandable, I guess. I'm the one who put that beating on him when he tried to jump me back at the river. Who's the fossil?
This is Vernon. He's a doctor. He helped me get back here after we got separated.
Was ich die Wahrheit hier immer erzähle.
I think you have something that belongs to me.
Stimmt. Und du willst jetzt wieder gehen? Nein? Doch.
Lee, thank God you're back.
Krista, what's wrong?
It's Omid. He's gotten worse. Much worse.
We have a man wounded.
Who's this?
This is Vernon. He's a doctor.
Ach
Oh,
so.
thank God.
Could you take a look at him?
Ich glaube nicht, dass
You
er
have to
so,
help us. Please.
so ein Doktor ist.
I'll see what I can do. Take me to him.
Okay.
Omid, honey. You're gonna be all right. Lee brought a doctor.
Ja.
All right, let's take a look at him. I work better without an audience. I'm sure you have more things of your own to attend to.
Den letzten, wo ich so vertraut habe,
Clementine.
die
Clementine?
Die haben, wie soll ich sagen, Badezimmer, Arbeitszimmer, so viel Zimmer, Mensch. Ich weiß nicht wieso, aber wir schauen mal im Arbeitszimmer nach.
Clementine, you in here? Where is she?
Okay, hier ist sie nicht, aber wir schauen trotzdem hier noch ein bisschen. Ah, spielt sie Verstecken. Mit Ben.
Clementine?
Nein. Hier ist sie nicht.
Clem, you in here?
Oh Mann. Ich könnte ja Molly fragen.
Clem's drawings. But where is she?
Die kann schon verdammt gut zeichnen. Entschuldigung, wenn ich das so sage.
Don't see her anywhere out there. No walkers either, though.
Also sie müsste... Sie muss hier... Also nicht hier drin. Aber sie muss... Hier...
I'll have time to rest later. Doesn't look like she's in here.
Ja, danke. Also sie ist irgendwo... hier
Clementine,
im Haus auf
you
jeden
here?
Fall. Wir schauen immer zuerst dahin, wo wir können.
Don't see her out there.
Ich bin ja eigentlich froh, wenn sie nicht draußen ist.
Clementine? You up there?
Wie soll sie auch da hochkommen?
Shit. Where could she be?
Warum kommt sie nicht? Und wo ist Kenny?
Hello?
Hier ist Molly.
What are you doing?
Oh, you know, just poking around.
You won't find anything. We already searched the place.
You'd be surprised what people miss. Trust me, I've been doing this for a while.
Where's Clementine?
Don't ask me, I'm not her keeper.
Hey, do I look like I'm in the mood to be jerked around? Where did she go?
Last I saw, she was downstairs with your redneck friend and that college kid who hangs around with him. Why don't you go bug them?
Unten also. Aber ich suche trotzdem hier
I
oben auch.
don't care about that. I just want to find Clementine.
Oh, Lee, wenn du schon hier bist, kannst du doch mal schnell...
Molly?
I told you, that girl isn't with me. Go ask your buddies and quit bothering me.
Ja, ich wollte jetzt mit dir eigentlich über andere Sachen sprechen, Mensch. Wir gehen trotzdem noch ins Schlafzimmer. Ich weiß nicht warum, aber... Hä? Wo bin ich denn jetzt? Ah, ja. Ich weiß nicht warum. Eigentlich müsste ich nach unten hingehen.
Clem?
Lee, du warst doch schon... Oh Gott, Alter.
Ain't got time for that.
Komm jetzt. Alter. Oh Gott, Lee. Also. Im Prinzip ist es eigentlich immer cool, wenn man erstmal
Clementine?
alles durchsucht, aber...
Clementine! Come out, please!
Hier im Schrank kommt mir wieder der Besen entgegen.
Doesn't look like she's in here.
Okay.
Kenny?
What the fuck?
Oh, hey, you made it back. Good job. Good job.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
What does it look like?
Sich besaufen.
Where'd you get the bottle?
Found it. You want to throw down again like back on the train? 'Cause I fight better when I'm shit-faced.
Kenny, come on, give me that. Kenny, give me the damn bottle.
Get the fuck away from me.
Getting wasted's not gonna help anyone.
Yeah? Well, what is? We are fucked.
Nein,
Molly
eigentlich...
said there's not a single boat left in Savannah. No way out. We got walkers all around us, that crazy fuck on the radio messing with us. Hell, if now ain't the time for a drink?
Das ist nicht die Lösung. Danke, Ben.
Have either of you seen Clementine?
Ja,
Damned
Kenny-
if I know. Gotta be around here somewhere.
Ben, I gave you one job when I left here. Take care of Clementine. Then she shows up out on River Street looking for me. What the hell happened?
Hey, don't put all that on me. Omid took a turn for the worse, and Krista asked me to help. I'm sorry, I'm doing the best I can here. She was frantic, and things got kinda crazy. I told Clementine to stay put. What else could I do?
Don't be sorry. Just tell me where the hell she is now.
I think she went out to play in the backyard.
On her own? With no one watching her?
Man, will you get off my back? She's fine out there.
She better be, or it's your ass.
Also,
Clementine? Clementine!
nee, ohne Spaß, Leute. Kann man sich eigentlich hier auf niemanden mehr verlassen?
Doors covered in vines. Don't think anyone came in through there.
Kann man sich hier irgendwo noch verlassen auf irgendjemanden?
Hey, girl.
Come look! Look what I found!
Was hast du gefunden? Ein Boot? Ein Boot. Clem hat ein verdammtes Boot gefunden!
Holy shit.
Swear.
Schimpfwort? Entschuldigung. Oh, fuck! Ein Boot! Vor unseren Augen! Nein! Nein! What the fuck? Aber das nächste Problem, wie kriegen wir dieses Boot? Wie kriegen wir dieses Boot ins Wasser? Der Doc ist noch lange bei uns, muss ich sagen. Hat der nicht irgendwie noch seine Leute vergessen?
Omid's doing okay?
As well as can be expected under the circumstances. I did what I could for him. Cleaned out the wound, but he's got a real infection. Running a fever. Without antibiotics,
Will you quit pacing? You're making everyone nervous.
Why are you even still here?
Hey, if your friend really can get that boat working, you're taking me with you as payment for saving your asses. I figure that's fair enough, don't you?
Kearney?
Well?
Ben?
You want the good news or the bad news?
Let's get the bad news out of the way first.
Bad news is, she's not taking us anywhere the shape she's in right now. Gas tank's empty and the battery's dead.
So what's the good news?
That's it. That's all she needs. Some gas and a battery. Other than that, she's good to go.
Well, how are we supposed to get that stuff?
We should go back out on the street, see what we can find.
That's not gonna work. Crawford took everything and brought it inside their walls. They siphoned every gas tank, stripped every battery. There's nothing left out there. You saw that for yourselves.
she's right.
Well, what about this Crawford place? Sounds like they'd have everything we need. Maybe we should try there.
Now hold on a minute.
Surely we have to try. If there are people left in this city who are still alive, who still have supplies, what harm can it do to ask?
Trust me, you don't know these people. I do. You showing up with a wounded man? Might as well put a noose around his neck. They don't exactly welcome children with open arms either.
What the hell kind of a place are we talking about here?
The worst kind? But I don't see what other choice we have.
And just how exactly do you figure we do this? Because from what I've heard, that place ain't exactly friendly to outsiders.
That's putting it mildly.
There's got to be some way we can sneak in there undetected.
There might actually be a way. I know the sewer system that runs beneath Crawford like the back of my hand. Y'all wouldn't happen to have a map by any chance?
Yeah, actually.
I think I could lead us through so we could pass under the perimeter and right into the center where they keep their supplies. We come up right underneath them, take them by surprise, grab what we need, and get out before they even knew what hit them.
That's actually not the worst idea I've ever heard. I mean, it's close, but I don't know. Maybe it could work.
I've thought about it before, just never had the people to do it. But I think if we all work together, we could pull it off.
And what do you want in return for all this help you're giving us?
Crawford doesn't just have what you need for your boat. They're also well stocked with medical supplies. Medicine that my people could use, just as yours could.
We can do this. We have to.
So, it's decided then? We're going to Crawford?
Anyone else have a problem with this plan? Because we're gonna need every one of us to pull this off.
Man, I don't know.
I don't know about you, kid, but I'd rather take a chance on doing something than just sitting around here waiting to die. That boat out there is an answered prayer. Just gotta push a little bit farther. Are you in or out?
Das ist wahr.
We should go tonight,
Auf eine Art.
under cover of dark. I'll go let my people know. Give you all a chance to prepare. I'll be back before midnight.
Be careful.
That's how I'm still alive.
I told you to stay in your room. How long have you been there?
Is it going to be dangerous?
It's what gonna be dangerous?
Kinder.
Crawford.
I can't lie to you, Clem. Yeah, it's gonna be dangerous. But it's the only way to get the things we need to make Omid better and get the boat working. That's why we have to do this. Do you understand?
I don't want anyone else to die.
Wollen wir alle nicht.
Neither do I, Clem, but sometimes we have to take that kind of risk.
Clem, ich weiß, du
guess
bist
I
noch
should
ein
go get
kleines
ready.
Kind.
Say what now?
You said you'd need all of us to do this, and you said I'm a big help, remember?
Ja.
Molly said Crawford is the only place left in Savannah that still has people. That means it must be where my mom and dad are, right?
Ja.
Where I'm going, it's just too dangerous. For children especially.
You said I'm supposed to always stay close to you.
Ja. Verdammt, die Kleine ist gut.
Can't I come with you?
Doch. Nimm sie mit.
Okay, you can come. But you have to promise to stay quiet and do exactly what you're told the whole time we're there.
Okay, I'm gonna go get ready.
Ja, vielleicht ist das ein Fehler, aber es ist immer hilfreich, eine kleine Person dabei zu haben. Denn Clementine hat uns in manchen Situationen sehr geholfen und kann uns auch in dieser Situation helfen, auch wenn das die anderen jetzt nicht verstehen.
Check out what I found in the garage. Hatchet, hacksaw, some other tools. Might come in handy on this little break-in.
Nice.
Can I talk to you a minute?
What's up?
I took another look at the boat. She's a 30-footer.
So?
So, we're gonna have a capacity problem. Assuming everyone makes it back alive, there ain't gonna be room for everyone.
What are you trying to say?
Just giving you a heads up is all. Thought you ought to know. Who the hell is this?
This is Bree. She can help us.
Good. We're gonna need all the help we can get.
I was a student at the school where Crawford keeps their supplies. I know the layout.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's get moving.
Okay.
Hold up just a sec. You ready?
Ready.
Hey, whoa, hold on a minute. You're not taking her with us. Did you not hear anything I said about the kind of place Crawford is? If you take her in there and they find her...
This little girl's not just excess baggage. She's gotten us out of a tight spot more than once. She's coming. Deal with it.
You heard the man. Let's move out.
Das ist aber allerdings wahr. Ja. Ich weiß, das passt den Leuten nicht. Aber es ist wirklich wahr. Clementine hat uns schon oft den Arsch gerettet. So.
This should be it. We're right underneath the center of Crawford. The old school should be directly above us.
Okay, people. This is it. Remember the plan. We stay quiet, we stay hidden, and we stay together. We find what we need, and we get the hell out before anyone even knows we're there. Got it? And that part about staying close, that goes double for you.
Okay, liebe Freunde, was uns da oben erwartet, was wir in der Schule tun, werdet ihr leider in der nächsten Folge sehen. Bleibt weiterhin dabei. Ciao, ciao.